Hello and welcome to the oscilloscope training video series. In this first introductory part, we will be discussing specifications of the BK Precision 2190B dual trace oscilloscope. In part 1 of the operation of this oscilloscope, we will be covering controls and indicators known as Knobology. In part 2, we will be covering operation and setup, followed by part 3, which will cover general maintenance of the BK2190B. The BK Precision Model 2190B oscilloscope is predecessor to the Model 2190D, which is what you may find out in industries nowadays. The BK2190 has its usefulness. The BK2190B, which you will learn from during your education, has unique features found in more expensive units such as delayed time base, a bandwidth limiter, and a Y-axis output. The display screen is a rectangular CRT with an 8 by 10 centimeter viewing area. The proper technical description is termed graticule. As you can see from the front panel of the 2190B, it has two input channels for displaying two waveforms shown by channel 1 and channel 2 inputs. When used simultaneously, this is known as dual trace. Other features useful in the BK2190B oscope are its conservative bandwidth of DC to 100 MHz. It has a fast rise time of less than 3.5 nanoseconds and a fast sweep time of 2 nanoseconds per division. The sweep is accurate to within 3% of the time unit measurement. When using the times 10 magnification, you can improve the accuracy down to 2 nanoseconds per division. The BK2190B has dual sweep generators, and this is capable of producing 4 sweep modes. They are 1. Main sweep, 2. Delayed sweep, 3. Main sweep and delayed sweep sharing the trace, and the coolest one, which I think, is 4. The XY sweep. You've seen this in sci-fi movies. The BK2190B has 2 trigger modes, and we will cover this in a different section. But for here, we will tell you what they are. They are the normal triggered mode and the automatic trigger mode. Other features specific to the 2190B will be covered in the next section along with the control and/or indicators associated with it. Thank you for watching this introductory video, and we'll see you in following videos.